Hi there, welcome to Shahi's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher Shahi. Today we are going to talk about how to have conversations about Ramadan. I know Ramadan is over, but it will come next year, right? And Eid. Okay, Eid comes at the end of Ramadan when everyone is celebrating and they are no longer fasting. So let's get into this. What kind of questions can we ask? We can say, how was your Ramadan? Okay, but if Ramadan was still on, we can say, how is your Ramadan going? Okay, how is it passing? So if somebody asks you ask somebody, how is your Ramadan going? They can say, it's going well, it's going great. You can say, I've been spending a lot of time with my family, and also that it's a blessing, okay? So now you can ask people and you can say, how was your Ramadan? Because Ramadan is gone, it's in the past. How was your Ramadan? Hey, my Ramadan was great. It was fantastic. Again, you can say, I spent a lot of time with my family, because people are, under lockdown. So they might have spent more time with their family than usually. Or you can say, I wasn't able to fast because I'm not well, or I don't fast because I have health problems. You can say, oh, I put on a lot of weight. I ate a lot of good food. I ate a lot of desserts, okay? What else can we ask? We can say, what do you eat for suhoor? Suhoor is the meal that Muslim people have before dawn, okay? What do you usually have for suhoor? What do you usually have for iftar? Iftar is the time where people open their fast or break their fast, okay? It is the time of sunset. So this depends. So somebody can say, how many hours is your fast? How many hours do you fast? It might be 19 hours, it might be 15 hours, it might be 7 hours. So at the end of Ramadan, as you might already know, comes Eid, okay? Eid is a celebration that comes after Ramadan. And in Islam there are two Eids. This is Eid al-Fitr, which means people have to give a certain percentage from their earnings, okay? If they don't have money, if they don't have enough money, they don't have to. But people have to give to charity, okay? So at the end of Ramadan comes Eid, or Al-Eid, so to speak. So, okay, so what kind of questions can we ask prior to Eid? These are questions about Eid, okay? What are you going to wear on Eid? Girls might ask each other this, or guys might ask. Okay, so you can say, have you got your outfit for Eid? Have you got your dress? Maybe you wear a dress. Maybe you don't. Have you got your jewelry sorted for Eid? Your necklace, your earrings? Maybe you don't like wearing jewelry. You can say, yes, I have. Oh, I'm not going to bother this year. I've got something already that I wore once. I might just wear it. But if you're like me, you might want to wear something new. So what else can we ask somebody about Eid? How will you spend your Eid? How will you spend it? Will you spend it with your family? Will you spend it with your friends? You can say, I usually spend it with my friends. Maybe you are studying abroad and you have to spend it with your friends, and that's okay, right? Or maybe some people might be spending it alone on their own, and they might say, oh, I always spend it, I'm away from my family, so I just spend it on my own. It's like a normal day for me. So on certain days when we celebrate, we have special food. So you can ask, do you have a special meal? Do you eat something special on your day? Maybe you have kabsa, or maybe you have rice and curry, or roast, or you have beef. I don't know. Whatever it is that you have, maybe you're vegetarian and you have certain vegetables. Do you have a special meal on your, on the Eid day? Do you gather with your family and friends and eat together? For me, this is absolutely a blessing when you sit with your family and you eat together. Maybe you can talk about biscuits or cakes your family makes for Eid day. Maybe there is a special pudding you have. For us, we always have a cake and we have biscuits. And so, it depends how your family is. What do they have? and how do they spend that time. And eating is such an important part of any culture and celebration, isn't it? So it doesn't have to be just questions about Eid. You can say, how is your New Year going? How is your Chinese New Year going? How are the preparations going? You can ask the same questions for another festival celebration. Okay? Many times when there are celebrations and festivals, people give gifts or they give money as a gift. So you can ask this. You can say, do you give gifts or do you give money to your loved ones? So maybe you have a rule that only the older people give to the younger people, or anybody who works should give to everybody. It depends, okay? You can talk about this. And I think this is a nice topic because it varies, very different according to culture. So, how do you greet people? How do you greet somebody on Eid? Okay, people hug and they congratulate. Some people say Eid Mubarak, and some people even say Happy Eid. And you can say Happy Eid to you too, Eid Mubarak to you too. And in our city, this is common, okay. But in other countries, it might not be, in Arabic countries. So here's my friend Sultan, and he's going to tell us more about Eid greetings. So take it away, Sultan.
Hi everyone, it is Sultan from Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Shay, for giving me this chance to share some Eid greetings in Arabic. So let's get started. من العايدين, the response should be ومن الفائزين. كل عام وانتم بخير, بخير, the response should be وانتم بخير. Honestly, most of Saudi people, or Arabs I guess, usually say من العايدين ومن الفائزين وكل عام وأنتم بخير, which simply means may you have a long life and every year be glorious for you. So yeah, you could say من العايدين, you could say من الفائزين, you could say both. So it's absolutely up to you. By the way, guys, I've noticed, some people say Eid Mubarak. I didn't say it's wrong, but as a native Arabic speaker, I have never, used it or said it to anyone. Even nowadays, if I said, Eid Mubarak to one of my, relatives, they would be like, what? Anyways, it's absolutely, again, up to you. Hopefully this helps and have a good day.
So a special thanks to Sultan for his awesome explanation. And we've come to the end of the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and comment below because the comment section is open and I would love to hear from you. And I want to take this opportunity to say كل عام أنت بخير, or Eid Mubarak, or Happy Eid, or whatever it is you use, okay? And thank you for watching. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful, blessed day. Take care, see you soon, and bye for now.